Thank you for joining to learn how to view details to add and remove fields for duplicate guest profiles in the Profile Match and Merge module in RoomKeyPMS. To start, please ensure that your default browser is set to Google Chrome and that you are on the latest version of RoomKeyPMS, at least version 8.23 or higher. To start, we have our filters at the top of the screen set to look at arrivals, for today, and allow up to 2 misspellings. The search results will appear just below. Looking at the first guest record, if we would like to view this information in more detail, select the View Detail button on the bottom left-hand side. Clicking this option will allow you to identify which profiles you are looking to merge. In this example, we have 3 separate profiles. If you're looking to merge only 2 of the 3 profiles, you can remove a tick box. If we're looking to merge all 3 profiles, we can ensure that the tick box is applied on the left-hand side. Looking at the further information, we can also see that if there is a misspelling in the guest's first or last name, any misspellings will appear at the top of the screen as an option to change. In this example, we have Alan spelled with an A or Alan spelled with an E. If we're unsure what the correct spelling is, you can also review some of the guest detail just below. In this example, we do have one email address showing that the guest's first name is spelled with an A. In this scenario, we would select the first option as the correct spelling. Looking at the further details of the guest, you will see that we have quite a number of email addresses, telephone numbers, and mailing addresses on file. The maximum number of fields that can be held on the final outcome of a merged profile are 2 email addresses, 6 telephone numbers, and 2 mailing addresses. If you have more than the maximum number of fields, you do have to choose which fields you would like to include. If you're looking to remove any values, you can hover over any of the fields and you will have a gray X on the right-hand side to select to remove the value. If you'd like to add a value in on the final outcome, you can hover over a field that is grayed out and select the gray plus symbol to add that value in. You can also use this field to confirm which information you'd like to remain on file for the final outcome. In this example here, we have 2 different spellings for the guest mailing address. The first option here, we have Lane spelt out in full, and the last one is Lane spelt in the abbreviated form. This example here, we're actually going to leave removed. A guest may have more than one mailing address, such as a home address or a business address, in addition to a home telephone, business telephone, or a cell phone. At the bottom of the screen, you will see that we have fields for a VIP status or a do not read status. If any of the guest profiles has this rule applied to any profile, if there is a yes on any of the profiles, the final outcome will have the yes applied, whether it's VIP or do not read. Once you've confirmed all the details, you can merge these profiles by selecting the Merge button on the bottom left-hand side. Selecting Merge will take you right to the main screen and confirm that the profile has been merged. You do have the option to undo this merge if you've made any errors. Thank you very much for watching.